Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your device is updated and ready. This prevents verification issues. Open Wallet now and tap the debit card you intend to change. If the card needs only new expiration or CVV, tap the three dots or card info to edit details. Once done, prepare the updated card number or photo of the new card. Make sure your bank supports Apple Pay for updates. If prompted, keep your bank app or a browser open for authentication steps. You'll now choose whether to edit or replace. If Wallet allows editing, update expiration, billing address, or nickname and tap Save. If the card number changed, remove the existing card and tap Add Card to enter the new card manually or use the camera. Once you add it, Apple will ask your bank to verify. Make sure to complete verification in the bank app or by SMS code. Otherwise, the card won't activate for payments. Finish by completing any final bank verification steps. You'll see active or ready to use when the card is enabled. You should then test with a small purchase or an in-app transaction to confirm payments go through. If the card doesn't activate, restart your device and make sure iOS is current, then retry adding the card. If problems persist, contact your bank to confirm card enrollment for Apple Pay and make sure you can receive verification codes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.